Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now this video has been requested by Jerry in County Kilkenny in the Republic of Ireland. So we're going to crack on. What I'm looking at is it's BSAs for the value of £5,000 and less. So we're just going to basically look up and see what's out there. So I'm going to crack on very quick. And the first one, what we're looking at there, it's a BSA Gold Star 650. It's on a 24 edge, which is a 2024, obviously, with 1,522 miles on it. And as you can see there, it is absolutely mint condition. So, right, what I'm going to do to make it easier on people, I'm going to try and make that a little bit bigger, if I can, just so it helps people view these things. And that should be about right. Okay, right. And there's a service history with that. And as you can see, it actually is a very smart retro bike. That's at 4,495. Now, there's another one, exactly the same. This one's got less mileage, but it's on a 23 reg. And it's £3,995 as well, sterling. Now, anyone out there who's looking at these to wondering what I'm doing, I'm basically giving people outside the UK the feel of what prices motorcycles are here in the UK, because you'll be surprised the amount of people that actually buy in the UK and ship out to elsewhere or of their choice. Now, this is a BSA Gold Star. It's a 650 single. It's retro style, and as you can see there on the picture, it's absolutely amazing. A lot of the bikes what I'll be showing you more or less are looking the same, so it's basically the price I'm showing you really. Now this one, that one comes in at 4,789. That's another Gold Star, and it's a 650, and it's brand spanking new. Right. That one is actually brand spanking new, and the dealer is actually offering £1,710 discount, because the recommended price, retail price of that is 6,499, and they're letting this one go for 4,789. So now, and that's brand new, they're advertising that one. Now we'll go on to the next Gold Star. And this Gold Star is right. It's a 2024. It's actually on a 74 plate, which is the second part of 24, and there's only 1 mile on it. It's £4,738 sterling. That one. A lot of them, what I'm putting up here, they all seem to be roughly about the same price. Another one here at 4,999. Now, I've just got to let you know, folks, this channel and this video is not sponsored in any way whatsoever. I'm just doing it off my own back and browsing through to help you guys. Just in case you see any names in the background, there is other places available. Okay. Anyway, that one there is on a Highland green colour, they call it. And it's down here at, actually there's not much, there's not a lot to say about this bike actually. They haven't got much right up about it at all, so I'm going to just skip on that one. And we'll go to this one here. I don't know, it's obviously the way the light's shining on that one. It's a lovely, that one, I like that one. It's a very nice bike. It's 4,299 quid. It's a BSA Gold Star again. Coming in, it's a 650 and it's Euro compliant. Nationwide delivery. It's on a 23 plate, so it's 2023. 45 brake horsepower, and that one has only got 887 miles on the clock. It's had 2 owners, so whoever's had that one has done very, very little. So whether the company registered it just to get it out on as a test ride or whatever, I don't know, but it's down as 2 owners. Now the next one coming up, it's got a small little rack on the back of it, which nice and handy for commuting now. I like the way the exhausts look a bit burnt up. To me, that sets it off to me. That's coming in at 3,999 quid, that one, and it's 22 plate. At 2022, and it's on a 72 reg with 1,730 miles. Now, before I go any further, folks, don't forget there is merch in my online store there. If you want to have a look through on the main channel there, you can see that I've got merch. I've got mugs, cups, hoodies, t-shirts, you name it, it's out there. Something for everybody. Anyway, I won't bore your socks off with that, folks. Now, the next bike I'm going to stop at is, look at that one. Isn't that a nice little cute bike? Right. That's a BSA Bantam. It's a 19... Now, that one there we're looking at there now, it's a BSA Bantam. It's 1970. It's a H reg, so it's on the old registration plate. And there's 28,000 miles, 645. That's the mileage on it. And that bike's coming in at 3,995 quid. And if you're into little bantams like that, then happy days. It's a beautiful bike. It's a 175cc. Lovely little bike, that one. Right, I'm going to skip another couple here and go to this one. That one comes in different. It's a nice red colour. BSA Gold Star again. Price range on that one, it's 4,295 quid. And it's on a pre-reg offer. Coming in on brand new. I tell you that I'm actually shocked at the price of these. They're very cheap bikes. Now, I don't know the way modern day bikes on the actual BSA market. I don't know, are they reliable or whatever the story is, or there's no warranty up here at such that I can read out to you. But do you know what? For a second bike, if it's not for your main purpose, you know, they're nice. I like them. I do like them. Yeah. Right, let's go on to this one here. Right, I'll skip that one. Now, we'll go on to this one here. This is brand new on a 24 plate naked. It's 650 again, 45 brake horsepower. There's only 1 mile on the clock, and that's coming in at 4,884 quid. So, and then we got this one here. That's coming in at 4,399 quid. It's another BSA Gold Star. First service completed. It's 2024. So it's on a 24 edge. And 1,006 miles is on that bike. And it has had its first service. None of them seems to be big mileage before they're shipped on, but then again, they're all fairly new. Now, I've gone for bikes on here, which is 5,000 and under in price wise, and I suppose for that kind of money and for the year of them and everything, you know, you are getting a value there. Now, this one here, 4,799 quid. It's another BSA Gold Star. So the reason I'm doing this kind of a video is because some of my viewers have actually asked for this kind of thing. That is the only reason I'm actually doing it. They've actually asked me to do this. The first one I actually done, there was no pictures what I was showing because I'd done it live, and I was sitting on the couch just with my laptop reading it out. So it was it wasn't successful as such, but hopefully it catches on. Now, what's this one? Yeah, that's nice. Now I know it's very dark, that picture there in the background, the way it is. It looks, it's a very dark picture. But if you do look carefully, it is a nice little bike. And it's just another Gold Star, priced at 4,995 quid. No mileage written on it. It's brand new again. So, like, you're talking of less than £5,000 sterling for a brand new bike here in the UK in the BSA. It's amazing, really. If a person was sensible enough and had a vision, they could actually save up without getting finance for these things. And you've got yourself a nice little bike, or even if you have to borrow just half of it or whatever, depending what your position is. But if you're just getting into bikes, it's a nice price guideline to start at, and a nice size bike as well. Yeah, I do like it. Right, is there anything, basically they're all coming up the same there. Yeah, what one's that? That's 4,599 quid, that one. There's 573 miles on the clock on that one. It's a 2023, and it's actually on a 23 reg on the plate with 573 miles. So now we've got this one. We'll skip that one. Now that one does look very, because of the colour, it's so dark and everything, it really does look the retro. It does look the old thing, but it's actually 2023, which is on a 72 plate, this one. And this is about the highest mileage one we've had to look at so far. Although it looks nice and clean there. It's got 3,260 miles on the clock, this one. And it's less than £4,000. 3,899 quid. So that is nice. Right, another one here. 4,795 quid for another BSA Gold Star. Free UK delivery as well. Part exchange and finance. It's brand new. It's on a 24 plate, naked. And yeah, no bells or whistles. Just the basic bike. And ready to ride. Another one what looks nice here. Whether it's the background what actually shows it out the way it's presented there. This one's only got 10 miles on the clock, and it's a 24 plate. It's got when I say 24 plate, sorry, it's 2024, and it's on a 74 plate, and that's another 650 pre-regged, and there's only 10 miles on it, one owner. So it's, probably the shop who owns it, or the person selling it. This one here, actually, I'm going to show you the number plate there on that one. Now, on that one there, it's a 2023, and as you can see, it's on a 73 plate. So it's the second part of 2023. If you look at what we're looking at here, where I'm flicking around, it's either 73. And this one's running in at 3,950 quid. One owner and 500 miles. What have we got here? Oh, hey, boys and girls, what have we got here? Right, you can't see the price there, can you? No, that's good. Right, it's a 249cc. It's a 19 1953 on the old W reg. So this is a classic. There is only 36 miles on the clock on this bike. And as you can see, it is in really good condition there. The price they're asking for this bike, which is a 1953 model, is £3,995. Isn't that nice? What I'm going to do, just in case there's someone standing looking at this, I am actually going to try to give it a little bit of a boost for you. See that? That is nice. Okay, we'll go back to where we were. Yes, beautiful bike. Right, this is the BSA Bantam, the 175cc. This one's running in at 2,395 quid. It's a 1965 model. It's on the old registration, so it's on the C reg, and there's only 1,000 miles on their clock. And wouldn't that be a lovely bike to go out on your little Sunday run in the summer, and just take care of it in the winter and polish it and clean it. I know there's only so much you can do, but when you're a lover of these machines, you'll always find something to do with them. Right, okay, what's this one here? Now we're back to a Gold Star again. This is a pre-reg offer. It's 2024 on a 74 reg, and 4,295 quid. So basically what we're looking at here is they are basically within just a few £100 of each other, less than the 5,000 quid. So, you know, when you skip through these, you know, they're basically all the same. So when it comes to the BSA, I must say they seem a nice bike. I'm liking what I see there for the price and the value and everything. So I hope these kind of videos, you're finding them okay or helpful. Just, you know, as someone did comment, you know, someone else, they can go look in their self and just browse. Why look at my videos? But I'm only just trying to do it to interact, and if I get any comments back, that you can share with different people. So basically I'm just trying to do it as like a community thing, to be quite honest, just to actually help each other out, and it's kind of company for everyone when you're engaging and talking. So right folks, I'll leave it with you, and don't forget, have a check at my merch store on the online. If you like it, give it the thumbs up. If you don't like it, give the thumbs down and leave comments. It's entirely up to you folks. So until then, I'll catch you again, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.